Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. We have got all of our auction finds we're going to be digging through, and we're going to find out what kind of treasures we have. Just a reminder, we have a bunch of stuff on the auction, and so definitely check that out and get your bids in for the auction, the online auction. We have all these things. They will be listed there, so you'll be able to check it out. Also, we're on our quest to 93,000 subscribers. We're giving away 3 $100 gift cards once we hit that. If you are a subscriber, you're entered into the drawing. And we're clicking up real fast, so we're really excited. You guys are doing your best to share and like and subscribe, so thanks so much for joining us. So let's go ahead and get to unboxing. Alright, so as I'm unboxing, if you want to bid on any of these items, you can go straight to hookedonpickin.com. We have an auction section. You'll see the countdown clock and you'll be able to bid on items. If you don't see your favorite item, it may be that we're selling it on our live auction that we do every Friday from noon Central Standard Time to 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. So definitely check out, and that will be right here on this YouTube channel. So definitely check out hookedonpickin.com for your favorite things. Let's go over here. I want to definitely get to the Harley Davidson stuff. Look at that. Harley Davidson, what is this? Ooh, it's a belt buckle. Look at that.
Well, that's pretty sweet.
Pure pewter?
Yeah.
Pure pewter. Wow.
Harley stuff always goes pretty good.
Yeah.
This
cool.
next thing is one of the things that we're going to do the silent bid on to start with.
So silent bid basically means you're going to send us an email. You go to hookedonpickin.com and you send us an email at what you would be offering for this item. This is, whoa.
Pretty cool, huh? Harley Davidson helmet. And does come with the bag. The bag's in there too, I saw.
Yeah. Boy, it's nice and padded on the inside there. And yeah, here's the bag.
Yep. Comes with the bag and the original box.
So, go ahead. Do you have a starting bid price on
I
those
don't.
that you already
I don't have a
reserved?
starting bid
Okay.
price.
So just send us in your how much you would pay for this, and then if you were the highest bidder, then you'll win it. But we'll start that bid on the live auction.
You won't win it.
You won't win it.
It'll be your highest bid will be the starting reserve bid.
And if nobody bids on the live auction, then you're the one that will win it.
Exactly.
That's how it's gonna work. Sorry, I phrased that wrong.
Nope, you're good.
All right. So yeah, send us your bids for that. Look at this guy.
That is sweet looking. Coca-Cola.
Kind of has that gas pump look with the top like this.
It does.
Yeah.
That's sharp looking.
It does have the cord. Don't know if it works, but you can
I bet you it does.
Probably
a lot
does.
of those collectible stuff's been working real well.
Okay. And we've got some Coca-Cola tins. Is this a...
We have to pick one more item to be the reserve. We'll figure that out as we unbox everything.
So this one is a 1,000-piece puzzle. Brand new, still wrapped. Digital coin bank. Ooh, look at that guy.
Yeah.
Box car.
That's a nice little car.
It is. It's got the Santa on the trunk of the car.
Oh.
The classic Santa. Got this guy. That's a...
All kinds of Coke collectibles.
What is that?
I don't know.
It looks like one of those, get the snot out of your baby's nose, but this is for a giant.
Yeah.
This
Giant
is for
babies.
Goliath's baby.
Goliath baby.
Yeah.
Could have been for a car horn.
Oh yeah, that's
There
good.
might be another piece in there.
There's a bird.
It's a cool looking bird though.
Cool looking bird.
Anything on the bottom of it? Like a maker or anything?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Raphael something.
Does it say toaster?
Something like that. 1980?
Toastery?
Probably a famous artist, we don't know.
Ooh, look at these.
Those are awesome looking.
They are super cool.
Antique. It looks like peacocks.
Yeah.
Those are sweet.
Flower vase.
Nice.
Does it have any markings? No, just a brass.
If any of these items that we unbox here you don't see on the online auction and you want to send a reserve bid, feel free to do so. I know some of you can't make the live auction, so I have a few of you already been starting to do that. So you're always welcome to do that.
One more thing
Oh, that's cool looking.
It's a hook, horse hook.
Horse hook. Can you give me the angle side there? There we go. That is a horse. Yeah, it looks good. All brass.
That's it for this box.
Great. Longaberger.
Whoa. We're just going to look at a few of these and dig underneath, make sure there's nothing. So these are
Seashell.
really nice. Got
That's
the liner. It's a $19.99.
Nice.
Got this guy. This one has a little bow. Matches the fabric. Ooh, look at that thing. See how it's a circle?
Yeah, that's different.
Yeah.
This is the daisy basket.
Cool. Got this guy. Ooh, look at that pattern.
What's that say? That's got a card on it there. Longaberger, the Homestead Collectors Club Edition. Okay.
It's got kind of that indented.
Yeah, it's a nice basket. It looks like there are some things on the bottom there,
Yeah.
Heather. Something wooden there. Looks antique-y.
Get all these Longaberger.
So Dad goes out, he does a ton of picking, and he finds some really great stuff.
Yes,
He's got
he
a
does.
good eye.
Ooh, this is a recipe box with the little recipe card holder thing.
Does it have recipes inside? Sometimes they do.
Nope.
Nope.
Okay, what is this? Oh, it's a step stool. Look at that guy.
That is cool looking.
Very cool looking.
It's nice.
Oh, we got some Coke trays.
Classic Coke trays there.
Metal.
That's a
Coke
different one. I
trays.
haven't seen this one. It's nice. I've seen that one before. Looks nice. Yeah.
Okay.
It on that box. Several more to go here.
Getting ready for Christmas.
That's neat.
Bunch of Christmas kind of stuff in there.
Probably just keep it all in there.
Yeah.
Maybe somebody can use it as decoration or something.
This cool little basket there.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. It's an ice bucket
Coca-Cola ice bucket.
with lid.
Nice. Ooh, there's something big. Coca-Cola. There's a radio there. Big
Yeah.
red radio. Look at that.
I've not seen that one. This looks
No, I
very
haven't.
1980s, doesn't it?
Look on the back. Sometimes you'll see a date. No date on it?
No. But I just think the style of the girl looks very 80s because that's when the bangs were in and the
Yeah,
pigtails.
could be.
There's another one. That one's definitely old.
Some neat old.
Trays, yeah. AM FM radio, still in its original box.
That's nice.
Got this guy. I guess this is for flowers, maybe?
Kind of looks like it, don't it? Flower arrangements.
Oh, in the original box. It's a snow
Hallmark. Snow globe, yeah.
globe. And then, yes.
That is cool looking there. Maybe that could be one of our.
Yeah.
I
This
don't know.
would be our silent bid auction, I think.
You want to do that one as a
This one
silent
says
bid?
1949 on it. Old time Coca-Cola cooler radio. So we'll look.
I don't think it's from 1949 though.
Maybe. Oh, maybe it's a 1949 look.
Yeah,
But it's.
it's got a tape deck in it. See?
Okay, yeah. It's got a tape deck. And it says cooler, so is it like a...
We'll call that the cooler radio. Yep. If you want to, it's radio, right?
Yeah.
The Coca-Cola cooler radio.
Yep.
So if you want to do a silent bid on the Coca-Cola cooler radio, I bet you that's going to go pretty high too.
Because this one, it looks like
nice.
a cooler is what it is. Like a
Yep.
Coke cooler.
Yep.
Alright,
Sharp.
what's this? Just blankets.
Coca-Cola blanket. Yep.
Soda fountains.
Yeah, that's neat.
What else
Oh
we
my goodness, just a whole box of Coca-Cola, ain't it?
got? Look, we got an airplane. We got a Hot Wheels car. We got... Oh, man.
Amazing.
They are set to go.
They are set to go.
Then we got a couple of buckets.
Good old buckets.
Matchbox collectible.
Nice. What is this thing? Got a picture on the side somewhere?
Oh, I thought it had a picture.
Oh, there we go. That's cool.
It's a mobile. Like you hang it and it spins.
That is really slick.
It's got the planet on one side and the plane on the other.
Somebody's going to love that thing too.
To add a couple. Like, if you see anything, to be honest, there's so many good choices for silent bids. If you see anything on this unboxing that you want to give us a silent bid for, go ahead and email us and say, hey, I'd be willing to pay, you know, $15 for this, or $50 for this, or $25.
Or $5,000. Yeah.
$5,000.
I think the highest thing we've sold is like $800. We've had one
Limited
$800
edition
item.
Pioneer line. I don't know what this is.
Oh.
Die-cast metal something.
Probably a car, maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
A lot of the die-caster vehicles.
Comes with a little Dalmatian. I'm thinking maybe a
Fire truck,
engine?
maybe. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's still in its original wrapping. Is this a Coke one?
It's a pedal car. Yeah,
it's a pedal car.
There you go. That's slick. Probably a Coke pedal car. Pedal car that looks like a fire truck, and then so you got the little dog Dalmatian on there. Cute piece.
Okay. Over there. Okay. All right, then we've got. Let me just pull this back here, and I'm gonna put these down.
These were sold at KB Toys. I don't even know that KB Toys exists anymore. Maybe it does. Maybe it's online.
There you go.
Cool. Different collection of trucks. A few more boxes here.
Yeah. Another ice bucket, a little bit different than the other one. This is more of a padded lid. Little.
Is that a Coca-Cola bear? Or just a
No, just
bear?
rose. It says Toy Works. Yeah. Oh, this is one of those, well, I don't know.
Wall pocket, probably?
No.
No?
Oh, it's got a little chip on it.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, this is a vanity set.
Mm-hmm. Kind of an older, probably, what do they call that, Bakelite?
Yeah.
Kind of looks like that stuff.
Yeah. Little Easter basket
Yeah.
here.
I don't think it's Longaberger, is it?
No, I don't think so.
Well, it's got an emblem like that. Sign.
It is Longaberger.
Is Longaberger?
$19.99.
Nice. You don't see that very often.
No.
Longaberger like that. That might be good.
Ooh,
Oh my word! Look at that thing. How slick is that? U.S. presidents, I'm guessing.
Shells, coins, corals, and metals. It's by the Korak of Monterey, California. Is the company.
Well, we can kind of tell the age on this. You got George Washington, so it's all the presidents, but what's the last president is...
Eisenhower.
Eisenhower's the last president, so this was made a while back.
1953.
I bet you they're gold-plated, is what they are.
That's really cool. All right, I think that's it in that box. More Longabergers. Oh, look at this shape. And look at the little rose emblems on it, and it's got a little... But it's got kind of like
Got a little decal down here.
Yeah.
Pasadena Tournament.
We got, these are cool shapes. Look, star-shaped one. These are, I haven't seen these kind of shapes before. So
Nice
we put
baskets.
some Longabergers on hookedonpickin.com, and then some will be on our live sale.
Yep.
So, like I said, if you have a particular one, even the Longabergers, if you want to do a silent bid on the Longabergers, the best way to do the Longabergers, though, is take a screenshot and send it to us in the email saying, I want this one. So that because there's like, I don't know, what do we have, 15 Longabergers on this. There's a Coca-Cola tin.
That's a nice tin.
Another Coca-Cola tin.
Look at all the tens, Heather.
Oh my, I didn't realize there were so
Just
many.
10 upon 10 upon 10.
Look at the hallmarks.
Oh my. Look at this. Somebody's gonna lose their mind. On Hallmark.
Hallmark stuff is
Look,
expensive.
it's double stacked, Heather. There's another
my.
layer down there.
Okay, so we'll put some of these on the hookedonpickin.com auction section.
Yep. I could probably do those on the live pretty well, too.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Do like a choice of 6 or something. Just a couple little boxes.
Made by Walter Baker and Company. It's got a little insert in there, too.
Is that another box or just an insert in there? Might be an insert.
I think it's just like you can put stuff on the bottom and then maybe stack it. It looks like it goes
Cool
with
old
it.
box, though.
Yeah, it is a cool old box.
That was made a while back.
Yep. More tins.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at this guy. Log cabin syrup.
Oh, I love it. 100th anniversary log cabin syrup.
Another Coke one. That's it there. Okay.
We're making fast work of this stuff. This is our last thing.
Okay. What do we got? These are like the little plaques that we've been showing that are hanging on some of those.
Yeah, for the baskets, for the Longaberger baskets.
S-hooks? What are these?
Some kind of Longaberger piece?
Open.
Brand new. Probably to hang your basket.
It is. It does say Longaberger on it.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Oh, this is a lid for a round one. I wonder if it goes to.
Try
this
that rose one.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's exactly
there
what it
you
goes
go.
to. All right, looks like we got like a plate holder. More S-hooks from Longaberger. Look, Longaberger even makes its little own padded things.
Yeah, felt pads go underneath for your basket.
Mm-hmm. Give the dog a bone so you can make a pet Longaberger one. Look at this one's a car.
Nice.
So this is an insert for a large Longaberger basket. I don't know if we have that basket, but look at this one.
Cool.
And it's got the braided handles.
We have more. We just have to pull it off the shelves from Dad. So
if you go to hookedonpickin.com, you will see more than what we just unboxed. We actually have a bunch of jewelry that we never ever show on our auction unboxings that we already have listed on the auction, and so definitely go and check that out. So we have a bunch of like brooches, jewelry, necklaces, rings, things like that that are usually on the last few pages. But all this stuff, we'll either list it or sell it on the live sale. The live sale's right here at noon Central Standard Time, right here on this Hooked on Pickin' YouTube channel. Again, we're on our quest to hit 93,000 subscribers because we want to give away 3 $100 gift cards to those who are a subscriber at this Hooked on Pickin' YouTube channel. And so we're on our quest. We're at We're doing really, really well because you guys have been liking and sharing and subscribing. And then some of these things. So for our silent bid, we've got the Harley helmet.
Harley helmet's over there.
Yep. And then we've got this guy that's the cooler radio.
We'll call it the cooler, Coca-Cola cooler radio.
Coca-Cola cooler radio.
So definitely send us silent bids on those 2 items.
But
and
like
then anything else, you're good, yeah.
Yeah, if you like something else, you know, I thought I saw something else that I thought about.
Somebody's going to like the Coca-Cola snow globe.
I thought this would be also a cool silent bid one.
Yep. We'll just have to distinguish that because that's a radio too.
I would say this looks like a gas pump radio because it has the top like the gas pumps. So call it the gas pump radio if you want to do a silent bid on this wooden Coca-Cola radio gas pump one.
Sounds good.
So anything you like on here, just send us an email and then we can start that reserve bid price on that item. And like I said, if nobody decides to meet that reserve bid on the live, then you will automatically win it. So, but then you can also watch and see how high it goes, things like that. So thanks so much for joining us. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.